G'day guys, how's it going? Just a follow-up video from last night. I told you if it got bad I'd take another video. Well, it did. It was frozen like 2 or 3 inches of ice, and now it's snowing. So we've got ice underneath this layer of snow. It's about -6 degrees, which ain't too bad. And I drove a couple miles last night, had to get home, and I was running about 4,500 RPM, fully sideways for over 2 miles. Didn't think I was going to make it, but I did. Had to go up a few different hills, and because there's no, you can't get any grip, you can't get a run up to get the hill. So I was literally doing like 5 miles an hour up these hills, and I was like, please keep going. And she made it. So yeah, but let's have a little look around. It's beautiful. So look at this. So there's ice all underneath this. Slick. So yeah, we're out here. Guess we may as well do a cold start, eh? I mean, that's the theme, isn't it? Anyway, trying to get this spun around. All right, guys, so that's it. You guys are lucky you don't have to drive in this stuff. Well, again, I know some of you on the high country probably do, but like for me, being a Victorian and from the low country, yeah, never drove in this stuff. I think I did when I went up to the snow a couple of times, and it was so much fun. Just like drifting without wearing tires out, eh? But anyway, do me a favor, guys. If you like the content, just hit the subscribe button, because I'm gonna keep doing this. It's fun. And yeah, if you want to give the video a like, it really helps with the algorithm. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.